guys, good morning. It's the next day. So today we are going to a staycation in Chitlang. It's like about 1 hour 46 minutes according to Google Map. We'll have lunch and head out. Okay, next blush. Done with the makeup, and this is it. This is my fit for today. Tank top, the swimming costume, and the linen pants, and chappal, bag, hoodie. Kathmandu ko dulo. It's getting cold right now. Hey yo. Yeah. 씻어라 봐 오늘 살래요, 그치? 오, 씻어봐라 우리 나갈 거. Hey yo, girl. Moment of the truth. Off-road. We are in Chitlang Mirmire spot. It's a resort. Ooh, looks so pretty. Damn, this is me. Let's go. So this is our resort. Hold it in. Let's come here. बाहिर पुग्ने हो अनि this is our washroom. As you enter the room, there is a washroom. अनि यहाँ चाहिँ toilet, towel. यता चाहिँ हाम्रो hanger stand. This is our room's key, lock and key. अनि यहाँ चाहिँ यसरी बस्ने ठाउँ रहेछ एउटा. अनि this is our table. And this is 2 beds. एउटा ठुलो, एउटा सानो. King size and queen size. And here is the price. As you enter, there's a balcony. The view of Chitlang Resort. Mirmir Apple Resort, Apple Garden. यता चाहिँ बस्ने ठाउँ. Show and stay and watch the view. The place where we are staying. हाम्रो neighborहरू. This is the view. चाहिँ हामी यो भित्र हाम्रो लुगाहरू राख्न आँटेको खानेकुराहरू. My god. ल Sprite राखौँ. Charger. Chips पनि राखौँ है. Chips and luga. हाम्रो face mask. This is kind of me. Muni rakhum. Cold ma. Ani luga haru. And I've also bought Uno. And my perfume. Eta This is my belt. Here. I'm swimming गर्ने हैन तर नि गक्स ल्याएछ. Anyway guys. Anyway. Sunscreen haru. And this is our lamp. Aesthetic. This is the food. Potato biscuit. Oreo. And we have energy drinks. Chiso is energy drinks. Cheers, guys. Up there. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. It looks so pretty. Okay. You laughing. And we got aru from Itaku Manse. Teko uncle le hamलाई aru dinu bhayeko. So kind. We you're not very back. And हाम्रो tissue paper. My makeup bag. अब चाहिँ हामी खाजा खान आँटेको. So we are going down. Welcome snacks को लागि. Let's go. यताबाट. कस्तो पिसफुल क्या चरा र किराहरूको आवाज मात्र क्या अरू इज लाइक गाडीको आवाजै छैन क्या हाम्रो रुम खाजा आलु पपकर्न के हो यो अचार आलु र मुलाको अचार हो अनि यो के को अचार हो यो चाहिँ फेरि यो चाहिँ गुन्द्रुकको अचार अनि मुला र क्युकम्बर Cheers. I'm the Sprite ल्याउनु पर्ने So polite. Soft spoken क्या तर सिटीको मान्छेहरू आर लाइक kind of like sometimes rude get this maybe they have too much going on in their mind. I don't know. Pani pani so refreshing.
So far. My God, no words. Yeah.
Cannot describe.
Speechless.
This feeling. Sagar. Yeah. Jam. Wine factory jam. Wine factory घुमेर आउने हो हामी. This is the moment. Hey yo. Beautiful girls. It's कसैले चिन्दैन के like कसैले हामीले चिन्दैन के that's like so अर्कै feeling है. Took some pictures, now returning to our resort. हामीले wine factory हेर्न आएको थियो.
Cheese factory देख्यो.
Cheese factory हेर्यो. यो पछाडिको रहेछ. तर वाइन फ्याक्ट्री चाहिँ भेट्टाएनौँ यही हो रे So we are returning now because we didn't see anything त्यस्तो बबल टी खाने हो बबल टी खाने हो बोबा Here is the boba यहाँ त बोबा त फ्यालाफ्याल के चितलाङमा त बोबा त फ्यालाफ्याल भुइँभरि Hi guys, let's get ready for dinner. I'm in the washroom. Okay. I'll wash my face first and then do my makeup. Oh my god. Okay. धेरै भयो जस्तो छ shush Done. We are done. Done now for the outfit. Ooh, this is my outfit. Any earrings? I'm wearing these earrings. Done. Hairstyle. I'm doing like a bun. Hair. What the hell? I just left her hair. Feedi kapal bhalle. It's so annoying. Like, I'm wearing white heels. I'm wearing white heels. And it's a clip लगाउने. Bunny, clip lay, sharpening. And this is how it looks. Cute. Oh. Oh. Do I look elegant? Where's my bracelet? I'm wearing my bracelet. Got me boy, oh my god. My lord. My lord. Done with the outfit. Hair. Dress. Bag. Lip balm. Let's go. Oh my god, looks so pretty. This is the resort at night. We're going for dinner. Moonlight.
Lots of.
Let's go with him. You middle? मेरे बातें देखे नंदो. What? Thank you. Wow. That looks so cute. तरीका नहीं होता पहले. Done with the dinner. Now बाहिर गएर भ्यू हेर्ने barbecue chicken. Oh.
तपाईँ सानसानो खानु पहिला कहाँ ठुलोमा तान्नु खानु तातो भएन
Barbecue सक्यो यतिकै आगो ताप्दै हो. So it's currently 9:45. यतिकै चिल गरेर हो. के भयो के? ओ धन्नेले खुट्टा पोल्यो यहाँ. Nighttime skincare routine. Face mask. Bro. Oh, jab, jab. Jab, jab. This is... kill you. This is how I look right now. Why do I look like a ghost? This is not how I expected. Kill you. Le. यो त मेरो मुख भन्दा ठुलो रहेछ. It's like too big.
यो त हत्या खै त्यो अर्को चाहिँ खै
के अर्को
खै यो चाहिँ भन्नु खोजेको यो निकाल्न छ्या यो त जिजस आयो त्यो के लगाएर बसिरहेको मेरो मुख भन्नु ठुलो रहेछ मेरो मुख भन्नु ठुलो रहेछ यो त
It's a bomb. I didn't know. Yeah,
यस्तै हो क्या यस्तै हो कसले चाहिँ यस्तो
कस्तो च्याप च्याप
चपचपै हुन्छ
अब चाहिँ लगायो खै I'm so embarrassed. I'm so embarrassed. म लाउँदैन नि त फेसमा. Okay. Face mask. Balm to moisturize my lips. Ready for the bed. Okay guys, see you tomorrow morning. Bye bye. Good morning guys, it's the next day, so I woke up and took shower. Obviously I'll get ready for breakfast. Dream. Okay, I'll do my eye makeup. Oh my god. So this is my outfit for day 2 in Chitlang. And perfume. Okay. अब चाहिँ हामी breakfast खाने जान आँटेको. I'll wear this cap. Let's go. So, this is our breakfast. Puri, boiled egg, and curry.
कति कति
मिठो छ पुरी and
चिया खानुहुन्छ हुन्छ यही त चिया खाने लटी खाने
Let's go Bheda farm. Hey yo. Wow, cabbage. Cabbage Wow. This is the Bheda farm.
यही हो त फेरि नहुनु सबै
यही हो. King goat को statue त्यही छ त. Wow. Yummy आइरहेछ. Chum. Let's go. This is Bheda farm, guys. Chitlang. Bheda. Wow. त्यहाँतिर त झन् कस्तो ग्रीन देख्यो क्या. उता हुन्छ नि. फोटो खिच्छौँ, भिडियो खिच्छौँ. Clicking pictures and videos. अब चाहिँ हामी Bheda farmबाट we're going resort. Lunch खाएर we'll go Kathmandu. Let's go.